Every year, KASBIT faculty complete impressive research, forge industry partnerships, and secure grants. But if that work isn't documented properly, it cannot be counted toward the university's HEC ORIC scorecard. This quick tutorial will walk you through the ORIC activity submission form. We will cover how to confidently select the right category for your work and upload the exact evidence needed to ensure your efforts get recognized. Before you open the form, gather 3 things. You will need the exact dates of your activity, the official names of any partner organizations or funding bodies, and your digital evidence files. Having these specific details prepared in advance guarantees your submission is accurate, verifiable, and ready for external auditors. Let's start with the opening section. Here, you will enter your full official name, your department, and your current designation. Please use your precise official titles rather than abbreviations. This ensures the correct faculty member receives scorecard credit for the work. Next, you face the most critical step of the entire process, selecting your submission category. Your choice here determines how the rest of the form routes your data. You have 6 options: research grants, contract research, academic and industry linkages, intellectual property, events and external engagement, and honors and awards. Because the form is dynamic, clicking a box alters the next page's questions, tailoring them to your activity. Getting this right from the start prevents misclassification and keeps your hard work from falling through the cracks during scorecard reporting. Let's clarify common confusion, starting with research grants versus contract research. Use the grants category strictly for proposal-based funding, like HEC or Ignite. Use consultancies when an external client, like a company or government agency, commissions paid advisory work. Another frequent mix-up is between academic linkages and events. The linkages category is reserved for formal, signed agreements, like an MOU with another university or an industry partnership. If you are reporting a one-time industry visit, a guest lecture, or conference attendance, that belongs in events and external engagement. Finally, for honors and awards, ensure the activity is a true competitive recognition. Standard participation certificates for a workshop do not qualify as formal awards. Understanding these operational distinctions keeps KASBIT's ORIC reporting clear and completely audit-proof. Once you enter your chosen branch, the form asks for specifics. You must enter the exact title of your project or event and select accurate dates from the calendar dropdown. When you reach the brief summary field, aim for clarity. Write 1 or 2 sentences explaining the concrete outcome of the activity, rather than a generic or vague description. This brings us to the final file upload section. This is the single most important part of the entire submission process. The scorecard requires strong documentary evidence. Depending on your category, upload files like HEC proposal receipts, signed consultancy contracts, or official patent filing certificates. If you do not have the perfect formal document, submit the strongest partial evidence you have. An official email confirmation outlining the activity is perfectly acceptable and far better than leaving the upload section blank. If your evidence consists of multiple event photographs, please combine them into a single brief PDF report. Uploading one organized document is much easier to review than a dozen loose image files. The entire HEC scorecard mechanism relies on verifiable proof. For reporting purposes, an activity without uploaded documentation effectively did not happen. You have reached the end of the form. Before you click Submit, take a moment to run a final quality check. Verify 4 things. You selected the correct category, you typed exact names and dates, your summary is clear, and you attached the best available evidence. Once all 4 of those criteria blocks are verified, go ahead and hit the Submit button. Remember the golden rule: 1 activity per form. If you have another grant, linkage, or award to report, simply start a fresh form for that specific achievement. Thank you for your time. Your precise, well-documented submissions ensure your hard work is recognized, and they directly build KASBIT's institutional record for research and innovation.